have like a name for your fans? I think it's already recorded.
Talia and.
Yeah, and who exactly will be my fans?
Me and Amanda. Welcome to Talia's
Thank you so much. Hi everyone, welcome back.
Welcome back.
Today I'm dyeing my hair pink. So let's get started.
Let's get this bread.
So today I have a few friends helping me. This is Amanda and that's Akuya. Okay, everyone's putting on gloves because I'm not gonna be able to reach the back of my hair. Okay, so I don't even know how I want to do this.
To make sure my
Okay, so I'm thinking I don't want to do my whole head. Oh my god.
Are you just
that
doing like the
sounded so
bottom?
weird. I'm gonna do like an ombre thing. Let's whip out the instructions real quick. We're gonna do ombre / highlights. Choose the sections of your hair that you want, the color, wearing gloves, and avoiding direct. Okay. We're not using the brush because I'm gonna like have to leave it for like 20 minutes, and then I have to keep on the gloves and rinse my hair out. Okay, let's do this thing. Make sure try not to waste it.
Let's get this bread. Retrieve the rose. It might not even show up because her hair's like kind of dark.
But I have highlights.
It's like if it's like a 5 shades like darker. or
Okay,
something to, like,
what if
bleach
one
your
bottle
hair.
isn't gonna be enough?
Only half your hair is pink.
You can't even see
Make
it.
sure it's more saturated towards the ends.
Oh, my mom was calling and I have.
There's no.
If this doesn't show up, I'm gonna be so mad. I spent $12 on this. At Didn't even close the door.
Oh no.
This is literally gonna be a line of pink in my... Look at this! I'm gonna get pink.
Oh my god, why do you
all
use
down
so
my
much?
neck. Because it needs to show up. Okay, this is already getting on my camera. Akbiel really was not going in with this product. What was that? This is literally gonna break in my hand. It's gonna turn pink.
I think you've already used like half the bottle. Oh no.
What is that? I literally look like the Hunchback of Notre Dame.
I just don't know what you're talking about. I don't know, we're always like, oh, like, good thing this bottle is gonna be like empty by like the next squeeze, and we keep doing more.
My mom is literally like, you're giving so much attitude.
I'm coming to pick you up now.
Does she know where Talia lives?
No, she's like, send me the address. And I was
Don't.
like, why? Like, my dad was like, I don't know why she's changing the plans. And she's like, good thing you're not going to Pink Day tomorrow. And I was like, it's literally during the day. Like,
Good thing I'm gonna stay home from school.
she's like,
Send me the address now.
Like,
Did
no,
you
I
send her the
actually don't. No. It's like, why are they being like this? I literally told them what we were doing today, and they're like,
You're always changing the plans. Like, I said this, blah, blah, blah.
and she's like, why are you giving me so much attitude? She's probably gonna call me back, and I put my phone
Oh no. Watch me look really terrible with pink hair.
I'm ready for it. It's empty.
It's not empty, you're not sweet. Oh frick.
Ah!
Oh, freak. It's empty.
It's empty.
Not yet, but it's getting there. Literally, if you get it on my neck, I could care less. There's this thing called water.
Is there another plug in here?
Okay, wait, give me that side of my hair.
Okay. No, like, it's already looking good. Like, I think it'll be fine.
There's a plug.
Why would you think I have more than
the
one plug in my
shower,
bathroom?
Shower, why would it be in the shower?
There's like a plug. There's like an outlet beside the toilet.
I thought there was gonna be another one. It sounds like they're
Literally
different.
screaming at me on the phone. She's like, how come you didn't answer? And I was like, I took my glove off and answered, and then it ended the call. And she's like, why did it have to ring 5 times? And I was like, do I look like Apple services? Are you kidding? Do I control the number of rings? No. Like, this is ridiculous. That's a lot.
I don't think you know what ombre
Good thing
is.
you're not. Good thing I can't see the back of my head.
No.
brush it through then. You guys have gloves.
You literally have like nothing over here and like it's all over. It's fine.
Okay, everyone keep looking at my phone to make sure my mom doesn't call me again.
I don't think we're gonna answer regardless.
Is your mom strict? Like, does she usually?
Yeah.
No, like some days they'll be like, "Okay, you can go home, you can go out and never come back," and then other days they're like,
You didn't text us your location every 5 minutes. What is the meaning of this?
"Are you kidding?"
Let's bring down the next section. Shall
I
just
better
take
text my
notes?
mom.
Good thing this is the layer that counts.
This is gonna be.
I think we still have a lot left. Like, we'll be fine.
Let's get this red. Alright, kitty girls, so today we're going to be adding this
I didn't
pink
realize we were stealing James
to
Charles'
the
brand.
top of her
Like, after we all complained
hair.
about people stealing her brand, but in reality,
I
she is
just
the
stole
original
it, James! Imagine my surprise when I come to work one day and everyone is just speaking exactly like me.
Okay, the thing is, I can't put this in if we're talking about work.
Figure
We
it out. Work at Starbucks. We are barista.
Good thing you're getting my wire wet. Good thing we're gonna light my whole house on fire. Good thing you're gonna get electrocuted. My sister got electrocuted before plugging her phone in.
That happens to me when I was charging my Nintendo DS.
How old were you?
Death by Nintendo DS electric years.
I tried to plug it in at daycare and I just started like vibrating and I couldn't like let go and I was like, could someone call the paramedics?
Who invented electricity?
So that you can put this in. I'm really just the supervisor here. Good job, girls. Good job.
Good thing you are.
Can you cut it again?
Goody.
I really need to get down
Cut it
there.
like in half. Well, not like that, but.
You said you cut it.
I know,
Are
but
you
I meant like only
stupid?
one side.
Hey,
you know?
Ben,
I'm gonna
you go
cut
like
myself.
that.
Did you say Ben?
Ben.
Can I put that?
Ben, we love you.
Can I put that in?
Yeah.
What is that? Is
Right
that
there.
Is that Epsom
They're
salts?
not the same thing.
Pardon?
Epsom salts.
Yeah, it is. Hey, we're done now. So now I have to leave this in my hair for 20 to 30 minutes. So we're gonna set a timer and then I'm gonna wash it out. Okay guys, so I didn't like end up finishing the video while my friends were here because we blow dried my hair and then I just like didn't feel like finishing it. But this is like how it turned out. You can't even like really see, like it's not that noticeable, but like I think it looks kind of cool. I wish it was a little bit more pink, but that's okay. Okay guys, so I just got home from Pink Day and I just wanted to like show you my hair again and more of like I just wanted to like show you my hair kind of like in more natural lighting. This is how it looks. I actually really like how it looks and I might buy another bottle of it and like dye it again just for fun because like I like the tint in my hair. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this week's video. Make sure to like and subscribe and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Ben, if you're watching this, comment down below saying you love me, okay?